Hi folks, this is number 11 on page 480. We're given the equation of a plane in Cartesian form, and they want us to find the vector and parametric equations. Okay, so first thing is to recognize what you need to find these types of equations, and what you need is a point and two direction vectors. So I would say the easiest way to find those direction vectors, a point we can certainly just determine easily, but if you actually determine 3 points, you can then find two direction vectors quite easily. Okay, so I'll find the first point, and especially looking at these coefficients, I think the easiest thing to do is to just find the intercepts. Okay, so let's start by finding the x-intercept, so that means y and z are going to be equal to 0. Okay, so this 6 goes to the other side, becomes -6, divided by 3 is -2. So -2, 0, 0 is the x-intercept. Then we'll find b, we'll find the y-intercept, make these two 0. Again, -6 goes to the other side, divided by 2. So we have 0, -3, 0 is the y-intercept. And then for c, I'll take the z-intercept. So make these two equal to 0. So bring it to the other side, z is equal to 6. So 0, 0, 6 is the z-intercept. So now what I can do is I can create vectors with a, b, and c. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So here I'll start with, I'll do a, c, and b, c, so that I can get rid of these negatives. So if I do a, c, okay, so what do we have here? We have 0 minus -2 is 2, 0 minus 0, 0, and 6 minus 0, 6. Okay, so 2, 0, 6, but remember, this is a direction vector, so what I'll take as my first one is I might as well simplify it. I'll take 1, 0, 3. Okay, not necessary, but always nicer to work with simplified vectors. Okay, and then I'll take BC. Okay, so I'll subtract here, so 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus -3 is 3, and 6 minus 0, 6. And again, for my second direction vector, I'll just simplify this. I'll take 0, 1, 2. Okay, and now I have enough information to write the vector equation. So vector equation is going to be r equals, so I got to pick a point. I'll pick 0, 0, 6, the one with no negative. Okay, plus some parameter times my first direction vector, so 1, 0, 3, plus different parameter times my second direction vector, 0, 1, 2. Okay, and I should be specifying here that s and t are elements of the real number system, because they can take on any value in order to generate all points on this plane. Okay, so just to recap, to find vector, oh wait, sorry, just realized I have to find parametric, so let's do that. X is equal to, so 0 plus s plus 0, so just x is equal to s, nice and simple. Y is equal to 0 plus 0 plus t, so there's t, and z is equal to 6 plus 3s plus 2t. And there we go. There's our final answer. So again, now to recap, we're given in Cartesian form. Easiest way to find vector parametric is to determine 3 points on the plane and then use those to create direction vectors. And again, don't forget that working with the intercepts is often an easy way to determine points given Cartesian form. Okay, and again, before I forget, s and t elements of all real numbers, that should go with this version of the equation. Okay, that's it for this one.